In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate QuickBooks to create and customize a general ledger report. This is an incredibly useful task that can provide you with a comprehensive overview of your company's financial transactions, helping you manage them more efficiently. Whether you're a business owner, a bookkeeper, or someone new to accounting, this guide will simplify the process for you. Let's start by heading to QuickBooks. It's essential to have your login credentials handy and make sure you're using a secure internet connection to protect your sensitive financial data. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, which provides a quick overview of your financial status and recent transactions. It's a good practice to familiarize yourself with this home screen, as it's your launching pad for all QuickBooks activities. Now direct your attention to the navigation bar along the left side of your screen and click on Reports. This section is where you can generate a variety of insightful reports that can give you insight into various aspects of your business. Reports are handy for analyzing trends, keeping tabs on cash flow, and even preparing for tax season. Once you're in the Reports section, you'll want to locate the search bar prominently displayed at the top of the page. In this search bar, type General Ledger. As you start typing, QuickBooks may offer you suggestions. Go ahead and select General Ledger from the drop-down options. The General Ledger report will provide you with a detailed record of all your financial transactions. It's essentially the foundation of your accounting system, and it includes every journal entry that has been recorded since your company was started. Once you've selected it, QuickBooks will automatically generate the General Ledger for you. Here's where you can really tailor the report to fit your needs. You'll find customizable options, allowing you to filter the data by dates or accounts. This flexibility is particularly important if you are preparing the report for specific fiscal periods, or if you're trying to analyze particular segments of your financial activities. Take your time adjusting these settings so the report highlights the information most relevant to your needs. After you've configured the general ledger to your satisfaction, proceed to save the report. Look for an option near the top of the page, typically labeled Save Customization or something similar. Saving your customized settings can save you time in the future, especially if you run this report frequently. You can name your report for easy identification later on. With the report saved, you've completed the process. We've just covered creating a general ledger report from start to finish in QuickBooks, providing you with the insights necessary to keep your financial records accurate and up to date. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out other tutorials to continue honing your accounting skills in QuickBooks.